darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you are so very welcome indeed. We are going to have what? We're going to have a meet and greet, my darlings. The most fabulous, the most wonderful Summer Splash Fumi Nation meet and greet on the 20th of July here in London, United Kingdom at the Novotel Hotel in Hammersmith. We are going to have goodie bags. I will be updating this event on a weekly basis just to include all of the brands that are going to be coming. We have special guests, my darlings. Oh my God. And the event is going to be from 1 to 6. And darlings, for the first time ever, you are going to have an exclusive to my brand. I am so excited. I cannot wait for you guys to be there. We are also going to have vendors. We have fashion. We have style. And for those of you that are coming from different countries, get in touch with Sabali Travel. They will book your flights for you. They will book your hotel rooms for you. They are the absolute best, and they booked for Fumi Nation last year. We're going to take pictures together. We're going to have a fabulous lunch. We're going to have fabulous cake, fabulous drinks, music, dancing. There are going to be giveaways. There are going to be prizes to be won. There is so much going to be going on. It's really an extravaganza. It is the Fumi Nation extravaganza, and all of the brands that I love for my skin, for my hair, Healthy Hair Studio, it's going to be there. The makeup, it's going to be there. All the sweets and all the treats. It's an extravaganza. It's going to be a day to remember. And yes, my darling, it's a family occasion, so the children can absolutely come. Absolutely come. We are going to have fabulous day, and it's going to be on a Sunday. On a Sunday, my darlings. So come along, come with the family, and be ready to be entertained. Get ready to be motivated. Get ready to be inspired with the special guests that we have. It is going to be like no other. And I did this especially for you, to show my gratitude for all that you have done for me all of these years. You're going to live for it. Tickets are below. So what am I wearing? I am wearing a super duper old dress from 2012. Where did I buy this? I bought this in Norway, and this was a collaboration with Versace and H&M. Are we living and loving? I got it out from storage, and I thought, why not? I live and love it. And the Versace collection with H&M, if they ever did it again, I would buy everything. I just lived, and I absolutely loved it. So why are we here, my darlings? You'll be wondering. Well, I'll tell you why. As you know, I do read the comment section. I might not be able to respond to all of you, but I do read the comment section. And last week I had done a little vlog because I was in a fashion show, and I was telling you guys, you know, come with me, and I started filming from my home studio, and I came out into Adrian's playroom before we went out into the city. Well, I got this comment, and it said, Fumi, I'm a fan of yours and I love your fashion. Where is the style transfer to your home? I am disappointed. Wow. I mean, it looks like a college student's house or a young person's first apartment. Shaking my head. I would never show something like that online or have company over if my home looked like that. Especially if I want to be known for my style. I guess you never know how people live, and perception is deceiving. It's a true comment. It is a true comment. And I thought it was very important that I came out here and responded because of beautiful, wonderful young girls out there. I also thank God that I am so confident that things like this don't sway me. It's her opinion. and she's allowed to have an opinion. Let's start there. So I will say to Miss Commenter, thank you very much for your comment. I appreciate your opinion. I don't even know where to start. I am not here to impress anybody. Never have been. I wear what I wear because I love style. Like so many of us, we love fashion, we love style, we love makeup, skincare, hair. We love it all. But more importantly to me, I'm a mother. And I have a 6-year-old son. And in these years, I want my home to be accessible to my son, where he has a playroom and he can do anything in the room. He has a place where he can have all of his books, he has his TV, he has his little colored couch. That's his room. And I also want it to be safe. I want my home to be safe. So this house is child-proofed. Also, Miss Commenter, which is so funny to me, the part that you saw of my house, of which I will show, is not my entire home. So you don't know what my home looks like. You only saw a part of which I showed because I'm comfortable in showing you that. I am not here to show off, give off airs, show you what I have so that I can get robbed. Absolutely not, because it has happened to other influencers. Molly May, for example, that comes to mind. Her house was robbed. I don't have time for that. That's me. Secondly, even if I have the money, we have our mortgage, and we have Adrian's education, and we have so many things that we can do, not at all to impress you, Miss Commenter. I'm not here to impress you with what I have. I am here to show you how to be the best version of you. And so I feel that it's a little shallow because you feel that you have to have certain things in order for you to be able to be comfortable. And I don't think you have children, because if you had children, then you would understand that the house is always a mess. Anyway, parts of the house. It's important that my son is happy. It's extremely important that my son is safe. Just yesterday, I did an episode, and it was very unfortunate because a child passed away in the family swimming pool. I don't want my other YouTubers, because I met some of you over the weekend, to feel discouraged when you get comments like this. That's why I address them. Really, to be honest, it doesn't bother me, because as far as I'm concerned, I really love this comment because it shows for me your priorities are actually in the right place, that you're doing the good job, that you and Ula are doing exactly what you intended to do. We don't have time for the, high-flying adored. Not at all. That's money that we'll put somewhere else. That's money I'll put in my brand. That's money that we put into Adrian's savings. To have expensive, fabulous furniture right now does not serve me at all. On top of which, I have very few people that come to my home. Very few on this hand that come to my house. My house, my home is for my husband and for my son. And just because she said this will not stop me from showing parts of my home. Because I very much doubt the home girl has a home studio, that you can afford to have an entire room and bathroom just dedicated to a studio. I don't think you have that, Mama. I do. I have the luxury of working from home. I don't think you have the luxury of working from home in a studio space. I don't think so. I don't think you can afford it. So, people will always jab you. People will want to try to pull you down, especially because it was a video where I was coming back onto the runway and did not comment on any of that to say, oh, for me, you know what? Well done, Mama, well done. None of that. It turned into that your house is not wonderful. And yet we live in a fabulous neighborhood. I'm so happy. Wonderful parks. It's a beautiful place. I'm so very happy to live where I live. And you don't have to prove anything to anybody. You don't have to prove that you're wearing a simple t-shirt and jeans because somebody's wearing Gucci or somebody's wearing custom. Don't worry about others. Always be the best version of yourself. Always be content also with what you have. And never ever impress anybody. It's getting harder and harder because the numbers are growing here on YouTube. I remember the good old days when we were only 30,000 and the numbers were so tiny. But I have 1.5 million views, 1.5 million views every day on different episodes, not necessarily the one that I just put up. Even though I have 800,000 subscribers, there are others that have not yet subscribed, but they watch me. How can I please all of these people? It's impossible. It's impossible to even read all of the comments. I do my best. And as far as I am concerned, my husband is happy, my son is happy, my son is healthy, he has everything he wants and needs, he can play in the house on rainy days. I am extremely content. I want our young girls to be content. Do not think that having a Birkin bag makes you. Do not think that you have to have fabulous furniture. Get your furniture from IKEA, call it a day, live and love, do your thing, have money in your account and sit back and relax. That's the only advice I can give you. At 56, I kind of seen everything. And when you get to that age, especially your 50s, you're liberated. You are completely liberated and you do what works for you. And that's why I really love this comment because I'm doing exactly what works for me. We don't need to have fancy furniture in this house. I'm raising a wonderful boy and I'm putting my money where it counts. Do not forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and I will see you I'll see you sooner than later. All of my love. Mwah.
Hi guys, my name is ENITAN, hair coach. I am UK's first ever hair coach and a trichologist. We are a team of trichologists and hair coaches here in W6 London, and we help those who are desperate and have tried and everything else has failed. We look after those who have chronic scalp concerns, flaky itchy scalp that's been going on for many years. We help those that have hair loss that has progressed instead of improved, and we help those that just generally want to have a better understanding of better quality hair, length, volume, and reduce that dryness. Visit us by clicking here.
The value of the information that we were given. So it's not overwhelming. It was very clearly laid out. It was accessible even for someone that's not familiar with public relations.
Now I'm leaving, feeling more PR ready. What I thought I knew, I now know more. What I came to do, I've done so much more.
If you are serious about really growing your business or growing your brand, then this is really this is a must.
And I love the fact that I came away from it feeling and knowing that I now have a clear pathway for the things I want to do next for my business.
I'm literally in awe.
I feel like I can pitch. There's so many platforms that I've wanted to go on, so many podcasts or just things that I thought I can only dream about. But in this retreat and just through the classes and the sessions, I really learned how to actually reach out to those platforms, to those huge platforms.
Know that when it comes to PR, Nina gonna put you together, okay? During our sessions, how she walked us through the playbook and she had us complete tasks. It gave us a sense of clarity.
Nina, you did that. You brought a group of amazing women together and you helped us bond, see our worthiness, and yeah, it was everything I could have dreamed of and more.
Yes, it's really been a unforgettable experience.
This is by far the most impactful few days I've had in a very long time.
Nina, you have no idea how profoundly your journey has impacted my journey.
Don't even think about not signing